blowing some bubbles. Woohoo! Isn't that fun? I'll put my bubbles away for a minute. Oh, that was fun. Hello. We've got a new sound today, and here it is. And it goes a bit like this. Ready? B, b, b. B, b. Can you do that? B, b, b. B, b, b. Well done. B for bubbles. Right, its name is B. Its sound is B. Its name is B. Its sound is B. Its name is, its sound is B. Well done. Right, I have got something that starts with B that I know you all know who this is. Are you ready? Batman. Yes! Batman starts with a B, doesn't he? So we're going to put Batman down there for our first B word. Brilliant, what a good start. Let me think of something else. Oh, I know. I could play with this in the playground or in the garden, and it's like a long thing. A bat. Well done. And what do I hit with a bat? That's right, a ball. So look at this. Bat and ball. Bat and ball. Brilliant, well done, okay. Right, this is the thing, starts with a B, and you throw your rubbish into it. Yes, of course it is. It's a bin. Can you sound out bin? B-I-N. Bin, well done. You are good at this, brilliant. Right, something else that starts with a B. Oh, this one might go like this. What does that? Yes, it is. It's a baby. Babies don't all make that noise. Lots of babies do lots of giggling and laughing too. B for baby. Baby, bat, ball, Batman, bin. B. Okay, let's see if we can think of something else. See if you can tell me what this is. I'm going to sound it out. You tell me what word it is. Ready? B-E-D. Yes! Bed. Maybe the baby is in the bed. Let's put the bed there. There we go. Bed. Excellent. Right, I wonder if you know what this one is. Yeah, it's a bear, isn't it? What colour is our bear? He is. He's a brown bear. Well done. Oh, look. Brown bear. Blue bin. All start with a B. And one more thing here. I was doing this when you came in. Ready? What are these called? Ready? Yeah! Bubbles! Brilliant. So, bubbles starts with a B too. Well done. Now, I wonder if you know what I'm doing here. What's this? Yes! It's a balloon. I am blowing up a balloon. A balloon starts with B too. Yes, it does. Wow, what a lot of exciting B words we've got today. We have got bat and ball, bed, blue bin, baby, brown bear, Batman, bubbles and balloon. And you could even have banana. What a lot of B words. Now have a look for a minute at our bat and our ball. I think it looks a bit like our B shape. Have a look. It's got a long bit from top to bottom. Okay. And it's got a ball that goes around. Can you see? Down the bat and right around the ball. Down the bat and right around the ball. And again, down the bat and right around the ball. Together, down the bat and right around the ball. Excellent! Well done, you. Shall we have a little go at writing it? Remember, down the bat and right around the ball. Let's have a little go on our board. Ready? Where do we start? At the top. Yes, you know that by now. Ready? Down the bat and right around the ball. That's it. Well done. Shall we have another go? Ready? down the bat and right around the ball. And again, down the bat and right around the ball. Should we have a go at writing bat? How would you sound out the word bat? Have a little go. Ready? Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Well done. Brilliant. Let's try and write that word, shall we? Let's have a go. Ready? So bat. B-A-T. Ready? Together. Okay, we'll have a little go. B-A. Well done. Look at that. B-A-T. Bat. Brilliant. Well done. Can you sound out the word bin? Bin. Have a go. Ready? Bin. Well done. Let's do it together. Ready? Bin. B-I-N. Bin. Brilliant. Okay. Let's have a go at writing the word bin. I'll try and squeeze into this tiny little space here. Ready? Bin. Ready? B. So down the bat and around the ball. Well done. I. Bin. Well done. Bin. You are brilliant. Okay, so today we're going to have a little go. See if you can find a bat and a ball. Maybe you could play a game in the garden with your bat and ball. Maybe you could think of some more words that start with B. Maybe you could eat a banana. Maybe you could make some bubbles with some washing up liquid. Maybe you could throw some balloons around. But have a little fun